Okay, we have a new benchmark. Look how far he went. 33,000 miles in almost 2 weeks. This is the story of Manny. He started clean like this. Then he went through the endurance run and he came out the other end looking like this. Much better. Look at that patina. That's what we like to see. You can't buy them from the shops looking like this, you know. So before we do the time lapse, let's see Manny on the rig. And then we'll set the time lapse off. There he is on the rig with the camera I returned the second the run ended. There he is in full flight. And here we go. Here's the time lapse. Notice our beautiful AI logo top left. On about hour 40 we were visited by an AI Karen who complained about the logo. So we changed it to a beautiful hand-drawn logo, which you can see now. And then we had a new channel banner made at great expense, which looks like this. There you go. Perfect. All the spelling close enough. Manny's still not really dirty at 120 hours, getting a bit on the side skirts. 143 hours though. Look, it's building up. It's building up. We did have to change the entire belt sander during this run. Rolling road during this run because it broke. And of course, the footage wasn't captured by YouTube. Well done, YouTube. The only 12 hours you dropped was the belt change. Anyway, he's filthy now and he's coming up to the end of his run. You'll notice that the left rear wheel is going to start making a bid for freedom any second now, and then it starts to snag and then it catches, and that is the end of Manny. There it goes, and now it's snagging. So our rules are that if it couldn't run in real life, it won't run on the road. So that's Manny finished. We did of course run him at 500 miles an hour for a few seconds just to see what would happen, and frustratingly nothing did. So I'm going to make the mounts weaker on the new rig for the next car, so that hopefully it will fly off. Child. Anyway, this is Manny grinding to a halt now. Here he goes. And that's that. A sad ending for our great champion, but he shall live on in the display case of doom. So anyway, there he is, little Manny, in his clear-coated state. I think that wheel would have hung on for a little bit longer. That wheel. You can see that the axle is a bit bent. On the Sora, that wheel just fell off, literally. It's not on Manny. If you look underneath, you can see that the right-hand side of the splitter was taking more pain than the left. I would have thought it was the left, but the left body is... He's done very well under there, to be frank. How big are the wheels compared to a non-run one? Let's have a look. They don't look that different, do they? Oh, maybe a little bit. A bit worn. But I'm not going to pull him apart because he served us well. He deserves a retirement. This side looks best. I love that look. Go with that all day. And there he is, from packet to messy, all clear coated, ready to join the rest of the gang. They've been through this incredible experience. There we are. Run some premium wheels, they all say. Run some rubber wheels. We did. Anyway, let's have some pretty pictures of Manny now. So there he is at the start of the run, pristine. There's the fan that we took away after about 3 days. There's the wheel before it started to fall off on the right-hand side. There's Manny's brother watching on, glad it's not him. Manny from above showing the road messed up. Manny's filth showing the ground clearance. Everybody wanted a close-up of the back wheel, so there it is. There he is from above, and that's what he looks like at night when I go to sleep. So there we are, a new winner, Manny, the record holder.